Hi everyone, I am Ranjana Amol Dhamne. I am going to explain types of sentences. Now, what is sentence? Sentence is just the source of expressing our emotions. Now, it is a group of words put in an order to give a meaningful result. To communicate clearly, it is important to know the function of each type of sentence. So, let's see types of sentences. There are four types of sentence in English. They classified by their purpose. Here they are. First one is declarative. Second one is imperative. Third one is interrogative. And the fourth one is exclamatory. Now friends, see these all four types of sentences one by one. The first one is declarative sentence. It is also called as statement. Statement gives us some information. All declarative sentences ends with a full stop. मराठीमध्ये आपण याला विधानार्थी वाक्य असे म्हणतो. Structure of the declarative sentence is subject plus verb plus object plus full stop. Example of this sentence is Sita reads a lesson. Now there are two types of declarative sentence. The first one is affirmative sentence. It gives a positive information up to us. Example for that is I enjoy reading. And the second one is negative sentence that provides negative information. No, not, none, nothing, never, nobody, neither, no, no one. These words are used to show negation in the sentence. Here is an example. I don't like reading. Now let us see another type of sentence, that is imperative sentences. आज्ञा करणारे वाक्य असे आपण त्यांना म्हणू शकतो. It gives instructions. It ends with a full stop. Maybe only verb. Don't is used for negation in the sentences. When will this imperative sentences use? For giving advice, for command, for requesting, and for encouragement. Let us see some examples of imperative sentence. The first one is for order. Get out. Second one is as a request. Please ask to leave the table. Third one is for advice. Don't eat yellow snow. Fourth one for instruction. Turn left at junction. And the fifth one is for warning. Look out. When the command is strong, that sentence ends with exclamation mark. And the command is mild, then the sentence ends with full stop. Now here see exclamatory sentence. यालाच आपण मराठीमध्ये उद्गारवाचक वाक्य असे म्हणतो. Exclamatory sentence expresses sudden strong feeling. It ends with an exclamation mark. And this sentence begins with how, what, and such. Some examples are here. How long that rope is? What a nice bird it is. Such a wonderful children. Let's see interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence asks questions. They ask us something. They want information, and they always ends with a question mark. There are two types of interrogative sentence in English. The first one is verbal and the second one is WH question. Verbal questions starts with to be words or with the helping verbs. Examples: are you happy? Have you finished your dinner? Need they go to school? And in WH question, these questions start with when, where, whose, which, why, what, who, how much, how many, etc. This word is called as a WH words. Examples are here. Who is your best friend? What are you doing? How do you come? How many brothers do you have? Here we see the four types of sentence, that is declarative, imperative, exclamatory and interrogative sentence. Let's see some questions on that. Now read the questions carefully and identify the sentences. Identify the types of sentences. Hope all of you understand the types of sentences. Thank you for watching the video.